Okay, I've now made like 3 recordings this morning and none of them have worked. So I'm hoping this one works. I'm going through it quickly. First of all, this is going to be over transitions, photo, formatting, and imaging, and transition. So take a look here. Teddy did use one image from the book of Giraffes Can't Dance. He took the image and using the format tool, he sent it backwards, which means it puts it in the background of the slide. Now he stretched it and made it fit. But this bring backward forward, if I set bring forward, notice each time I hit it, it takes away some of the text. Bring backward sets it all the way behind. Each slide looks a little different. So those of you who did the standard title and text slide, you probably just wanted to do, and if you didn't, that's okay, a blank slide and add in text. Also notice Teddy chose a design. One thing, he didn't really do a whole lot with it, and that's not a problem. He liked this design and then found all these images he liked better to set behind. So notice this one. And notice he did a text box here. And he uses the shade option. So when you're dealing with a text box, you put in your box either a text box or a shape. And then you can choose a shape fill. And so he chose this red color. What you can do with this is, so more fill colors. You should be able to, once you choose more fill colors, you have this transparency option. So this is going to change how transparent the color is, so you can still see the picture behind. Alright, the more transparent, the less color you'll see. Other things you should note. Notice all the variety of pictures that he used. He used a lot of the shading text box. So again, drawing format tools, shape fill. Notice that made it darker. More fill colors, and you can change it to more transparent. Okay, now it's harder to read, so that's kind of the purpose of the shape fill gradient thing. So I'm going to put it back down to 50 or 60. We'll see how that works. Okay. Finally, the last thing I wanted to cover in this one is transition. You just click on a slide, choose transition, and it's just how the slide comes in or disappears. Okay? Hope that helps.